Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best portable air conditioner, the Dreo DRHAC005S. We'll go through its features, pros, cons, and whether it's the right pick for your home. Let's get started. Product features. Impressive cooling power. With a 12,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, the Dreo DRHAC005S chills rooms up to 14 feet quickly, ideal for open areas, living rooms, or bedrooms. 3-in-1 mode versatility. It serves as a cooler, dehumidifier, and fan. You can switch between modes to cool, reduce humidity, or just circulate air, all in one compact unit. Quiet operation. A noise isolation system keeps sound as low as 46 dB. You can run it in bedrooms or offices overnight without disturbing quiet spaces. Drainage-free cooling below 85% humidity. Below 85% humidity, built-in condenser plus water pump lets the unit run without manual drainage. No constant emptying of trays during use. Smart control options. Control it via the Dreo app or voice assistants. Change modes, set timers, adjust speed, or monitor remotely. Full control at your fingertips. Easy installation with window kit. Comes with a universal window kit compatible with most window styles. Multiple panel combinations ensure secure and easy setup. Stable and efficient in hot climates. Engineered to maintain performance even in high ambient temperatures. The system balances efficiency and durability during continuous operation. Pros. High 12,000 BTU cooling power. 3 modes in one unit. Quiet at 46 dB for peaceful use. Drainage-free under typical conditions. Smart app plus voice control features. Easy installation with universal window kit. Built to work steadily in warmer climates. Cons. Size may be bulky for small rooms. If humidity higher than 85%, drainage may be needed. App features depend on stable Wi-Fi. Window kit may not fit irregular windows easily. Cooling area limited beyond 14 feet. May consume more power in extreme heat. Filter cleaning is required frequently. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance portable air conditioner for your home, the Dreo DRHAC005S is a solid option. It balances power, smart features, and quietness in one package. For small rooms or minimal cooling needs, it might be more machine than needed, but for average rooms and flexible use, this delivers strong value. Don't wait. Upgrade your home comfort now. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video so you don't miss our next top gadget picks.